Hi guys, so today is actually my 23rd birthday and it's the 29th of June. We're still in lockdown, I can't really do anything. But I've been meaning to dye my roots for literally since before lockdown, for like months. And I finally feel like doing it. So my hair is black at the moment, but I do have a good couple inches of roots. Well, that's like a good inch and a half, I think. But I actually want to do red roots again. I have done it before. I did green roots back in October, and then in December I switched it up to red roots, but it was like a really bright red that very quickly just turned into like a hot pink. And a few years ago I actually had like a burgundy red hair all over, so I wanted to use the same kind of dye and see if I can do that with my roots. When I used to dye my hair red before, I just put it straight onto my natural hair, which is kind of a dark blonde anyway. So I'm hoping that by just putting this kind of red, this is the one I'm using. I don't know if I've used this exact one before, but I used to always just dye it myself with red box dye, and it always came out fine. And because it's not like it's not like a lifting one per se, it is supposed to be quite like deep, so I'm hoping it won't really affect the black that much and I'll get like burgundy red roots. That's what I'm hoping for, and if it goes wrong I can just cover that shit up with black again. It's all good. Okay, so this stuff does come in a squeezy bottle applicator. So I'm gonna mix it up in that, but then I'm gonna pour it out into a bowl and actually paint my roots with a brush, because I just don't think I'm gonna, like, this was fine when I was dyeing my hair all over. And I would just sort of brush it in with my fingers with gloves on, but I just don't think that's gonna work for what I wanna do today. This is literally the colour of my skin. If I ever needed clarification that I am in fact pink, it's this. Oh my god. That is hilarious. Look at me. We're not backing out now, bitch. I am concerned about how orange this is, you guys. I have so much hair dye left. I think we're done. I think we're done. Do you know what? I may have stupidly thin hair, but at least I can get dye through it pretty quickly. So I'm gonna clean this up. Hopefully I haven't ruined my hair on my birthday, because that would be quite sad. Okay, so it's the next day and this is the result. Definitely got red all the way around. I did miss a little bit at the top. There is still some of my natural hair colour here where I was trying to not get it on the black too much, even though it would have been fine because, like, as I predicted, it didn't really affect the black. So I could have used more dye and really gone in there with it, but I just didn't want to. I wasn't 100% sure, so I didn't want to, like, possibly ruin the black, but instead I kind of underdid it a little bit, but it's fine. I have some, like, pre-mixed, like, black bottle dye, and I will literally just patch that up, so I'm not really fussed about it. Everywhere else I think I did pretty good, not gonna lie. How's the back and the underside looking? I don't know. I really like it. It's just giving me a little bit of something. I really wasn't enjoying having my natural hair colour. That sort of like dark, mousy, blonde brown that's not really like, it's not very saturated. So it's like a very sort of greyish blondie brown, and I just didn't like it. Overhead, we're rocking. So it's whatever. It's cool. I'm good with it. I'm happy. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of the outcome. Yeah, and subscribe, click like, leave me a comment. I'll see you in my next one.